Good to see you back, guys. Once again, I'm back with a new project related, and today in this tutorial we are going to create scatter plot. Basically, a scatter plot is a type of data visualization used to show the relationship between two variables. Typically, it is used for numerical variables. Here, each of the points represent one observation or data pairs. The x-axis show one variable and the y-axis show another variable. Basically, we use it to compare quantitative variables, detect correlations or patterns, identify outliers, visualize regression relationship, and etc. So without talking too much, let's start the practical and see how we can create this graph. As you can see, side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created an HTML document named index.html. And as you know, today in this project, we are going to create a scatter plot. At first, in our head tag, I am going to import the CDN link. So we type script and our CDN link of the Plotly.js. Then inside the body tag, I am going to take a div tag. So I'm going to type div and I'm going to set ID hashtag and our ID name is my plot. Also, I'm going to apply some styling to this div tag. So I'm going to type style equal to width. Here I'm going to set width 100%. Then I'm going to define maximum width. Maximum width, max width, and here I'm going to set maximum width 700 pixel. Now the scenario of our chart is house prices versus size. We are going to set house prices in millions and size in square meter. So according to the square meter, we are going to define the price. For that, I am going to define script tag. So inside the body tag, I am going to type script. Then inside the script tag, first we need to define a variable, a array, for the x-axis values. In our x-axis direction, we are going to define the area in square meters. So I am going to type const and our variable name is xArray. xArray equal to, inside the square braces, we pass the area in square meter. At the same way, according to the size, we need to define the price. So I'm going to define yArray. So I'm going to type const yArray equal to price of the land according to the size. Remember, here we define the price in millions. After that, we need to define the data. For that, I'm going to create a variable called data. So type const our variable name is data, data. Data equal to, it's a list. Then inside the curly braces, I'm going to use a dictionary. And here I'm going to set x colon, for x-axis I'm going to assign xArray, comma, for y-axis I'm going to assign yArray. Then we need to define the mode. So after comma, here I'm going to type mode colon, here I'm going to type inside the double quotes markers and semicolon to end this line. In our previous example, we use markers and line together, but to create a scatter plot, we need to use only markers. After define the data, we need to define the layout. For that, I want to type a single line comment and I'm going to define a variable. So type const and our variable name is layout equal to, inside the curly braces, first we need to define the x-axis. x-axis colon, here I'm going to define, inside the curly braces, I'm going to define the range. So I'm going to type range colon, inside the square braces, I'm going to pass 40, 160. So for the x-axis, I'm going to take from 40 to 160. And I'm going to set title, here I'm going to set title in square meter. So inside the double quotes, I'm going to type square meter. Then after comma, for y-axis, I'm going to set range So inside the curly braces, I'm going to type range colon, inside the square braces, here I'm going to set range between 6 million to 16 million. And here after comma, I'm going to set the title price in million. Then after comma, I'm going to set the title of our chart. So I'm going to type title inside the double quotes. Here I'm going to type house prices versus size, exactly same, and semicolon to end this line. And I want to save this file. Now after define the data and define the layout, we need to display the chart using Plotly. So here we need to create an object of Plotly. So type Plotly dot new plot. Then inside the round braces, first we need to define the ID name, otherwise the div name, where we are going to display the plot. In our case, my plot. So I copy the ID name of this div element and I paste it here. After comma, I'm going to pass data and I'm going to pass the layout and I'm going to save this file. After save this file, here you can see the result. Here we successfully create the scattered chart. Here you can notice at x-axis direction, we print the land size in square meter, and at y-axis direction, we print the price in millions. Now according to the land size, it print the price. You can notice for 50 square meter, it highlight 7 million, and 60 square meter, it highlight 8 million, then for 70, it highlight 8 again, then for 80, it highlight 9, for 130 square meter, it highlight 14 million, and for 150 square meter, it highlight 15 million. So this is the basic and simple example of scatter plot. I hope now it's clear for you how we can create that with the help of Plotly. So this is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.